Hello everyone, welcome to Samasto YouTube channel.
Today we are going to learn MS Excel. How to open Excel.
First, start. All apps.
Microsoft Office. Microsoft Excel.
Close. Second, click Start button.
Write Excel in search box.
Click. Close. Third, press Winky plus R.
Write Excel in Run box.
OK. Close. Fourth, click Start button again.
Go to Microsoft Excel, and right-click, More, Open File Location. Copy Microsoft Excel shortcut, and paste it at desktop. Double-click.
Close.
Right-click Excel shortcut, and delete. To safely store Excel file, right-click on Desktop, New. Click Microsoft Excel Worksheet, then put a name.
Enter.
Right-click Excel file, Open. This is the file name showing in the title bar.
This is Quick Access Toolbar. Here you can find Save, Undo, Redo and other options.
This is the file menu. Here you can find Save, Open, New, Print, and other options. And this is the Ribbon menu Home. Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, View, Developer. Many tools present in this all Ribbon menu. Use whenever required. Name box. Insert function. Formula bar. This vertical box is column. First column start by name A. This horizontal box is row. First row start by number 1. One column and row meet. Then create cell. Here is other cells. Use vertical and horizontal scroll bar to find other cell. Go to the last column by pressing Ctrl plus right arrow. Go to the last row by pressing Ctrl plus down arrow. Go to the first cell by pressing Ctrl plus home button. Go to the last cell, type last cell name at name box.
Enter.
Default 3 worksheet present. You can insert sheet by click here. Also insert sheet by right-click on any sheet name. Click Insert. Then Worksheet. OK. You can easily move the sheet. To delete sheet, right-click on sheet name and click Delete. To rename, right-click on sheet and click Rename. Write sheet name. Complete sheet name by click any cell. You can move or copy sheet as your choice. If you want to copy, then mark Create a Copy. If you close this application, Excel automatically shows a dialog box to save the recent task. By clicking the Save button, whenever open the file again, previously saved task shows. Introduction of MS Excel first episode complete. Wait for the next episode.
If you like this video, please click on the like button. Also subscribe our YouTube channel. And click on bell icon for more update. See you in the next tutorial.